it's known locally as the world's worst shoot. We do. It's known locally as the world's worst shoot. I mean, I haven't travelled to all of the shoots in the world, but I've been to a lot, and I think it's right. I think it is the worst shooting. It's certainly in Britain. It's the worst shooting. I mean, it's more of an armed drinks party, if I'm honest. So people get here, and then we maybe have a short sharpener, and then another one, then another, and then if you can find your gun, we sort of wander off, and there are no pegs or anything. But I like to put 4 people to a peg. Because, I mean, last year we had 20... Well, the first year we had it, to give you an idea of how bad, we had 27 guns, and the bag was 3 woodcock, 1 pheasant, a fox, and a trout, which I shot. Got better now. I think we shot over 200 on the last day. But 180 of them were on one drive, so again, not brilliant. It's not spread out evenly. No, they come over and knock all the fences down and then deny they did it. They're here. So, but all the hunts come. I forget, the beagles and the bloodhounds and everybody comes. And the heath. Yeah, and I try to get them, if we're shooting, to stay on the northern end of the farm and not come where the drives are, but people on horses don't pay any attention to what I say, so. I only like hunting because it was banned. I used to be mildly anti it before that, so when it was banned I thought, oh well, I'm in favour of it now. I'm not a great fan of a heath or indeed any of those hunts, but you know, they can come and... I wouldn't mind if they kill foxes, but I'm not allowed to do that. And then I say, well, I'm going to kill the foxes, and they say, no, you can't kill the foxes. Well, what am I supposed to do then? I can't kill them and you won't kill them. Yeah. We've got some great footage from last year of somebody on the heath standing on their horse, and we were filming, and they knew we were filming, and we told them we were filming, and we got it from 4 camera angles and a drone of this woman sitting on her horse in the blue hat and everything on the phone, and a dog fox ran 6 feet away from her and she never even noticed. But it made me laugh.